So, you took the cardio boxing class at the training floor. Tell me what you think.
I thought it was great, man. The best class, one of the best classes I've ever taken. I've taken a lot of kickboxing before. This kicked my ass. Really good class. Very good class. Can't wait to do it again.
What was your favorite part of the class?
From the beginning to the end.
First cardio boxing class. Tell me what you thought about it, Chris.
It was fantastic. It was good cardio. It got my heart going. It was a lot of fun.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
What was your favorite part about the class?
Hitting
Class
Tony.
at the training floor. What'd you think about it, Kel?
Awesome.
Yeah, what'd you like about it?
I think you just kept moving. You were working everything: legs, core, arms. You know, you just come in and sweat your brains out, and you move, and you just feel stronger. And it's always nice to hit something, you know.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I just tried to convince him to do it twice a week.
2, go!